there, I'm Hugo Ferreira from TechCornerTV, and today I have a quick review. It's the LiitoKala Lii-500, and I bought this battery charger for, well, charging several kinds of batteries like the 18650, and it is a very versatile battery charger. Let's start by opening the box and see what's in it. Okay, on top of the box we can see that it inputs 12 volts, 2 amps min. It has 2 amps minimum input. It allows to charge Li-ion batteries, Ni MHCD batteries, lithium batteries, and yeah, it also has 500 milliamps discharge cutoff and a USB output of 5 volts 1 amp. Okay, we have several batteries that are supported. Let's change. Yeah, we have a smart control charge. We can charge up to 1 milliamp current to capacity charge. Yeah, it seems okay. It has a few features. Yeah, let's see what's in it. Okay, this is the European version. It has the charger already included. Let me just take this out. I have here already the power plug to connect it. We have in the box also a user manual, Chinese. Okay, we have also the English version. It seems to cover, yeah, most of the topics. Yeah. So we have here 3 charge modes or 3 tests. Yeah, let's connect this and see what we have here. Here is this LiitoKala charger. We have a mode selection button, a current selection button, and we have the buttons for the 4 channels for each battery. And yeah, it seems robust. Yeah. We have here the DC input 12 volts, and we have also output 5 volts 1 amp for the charger. Okay, I have here some batteries. This will be a quick test, and yeah, let me show you something. When connecting, we can see all the details of and we have here the end indicator when the charge is done. So one of the advantage of this charger is, first, it is really fast to detect the kind of battery. It has here the internal resistance of the battery that we are charging, and if we press the mode button for after, let's start again. When we put the battery, the mode button is blinking. When it's blinking, you can change the charge mode. We have 3 different charge modes. When it stops blinking, it will start the charging process. Okay, right now it says it's inputting 0 milliamps. It has an internal resistance of 40, and it has right now 3.86 volts to charge. If we press 4 seconds, this will charge blinking again, and we also can change the current of the charge. Right now it's 300 milliamps, 500 milliamps, 700 milliamps, and 1 amp or 1000 milliamps. Normally it's selected by default for 500 milliamps. We have 3 charge modes. We have the charge mode. It will only charge the battery. The fast test will charge the battery, will discharge the battery and will charge it again and record the capacity. And we also have the NOR test. that it will discharge the battery, it will charge it again, it will record the milliamps of the battery. For example, this one I take note before, it's 2471 milliamps hour. It will record that value, and after it will discharge the battery. Sorry, man, it's not easy to say today. I don't know why. It will discharge the battery again. So the main difference between the three modes is this one will charge it only. This one will discharge first. The fast test will discharge first and test it and charge it again. And the normal test, it will charge again and record the milliamps, and after it will discharge the battery again. Both modes can work independently. For example, I'm in north test in this one. I can put a battery here in channel 2 and work in charge modes. I can put a battery here, for example, and I want to say that I want to use 300 milliamps current and do a fast test. And for last, for example, I can in this one say I want a milliamp north test. Okay, we are able to work between all the channels independently. Okay, north test, we have here the time of the operation. For example, this one, it doesn't pass a minute yet, but it's almost. Yeah, 5 milliamps hour is discharging, so it doesn't have charge values. This one is charging 4 milliamps hour, and this far is discharging right now. So yeah, we have here the internal resistance, as I already told you. This is a very important value. It shows how degraded is the battery. When the resistance increases, it means that the battery is not accepting so much power to charge. So it normally will not charge fully, and it will take more time to charge because the resistance it's bigger. And yeah, that's it. It's quite basic. The charger, it's very good. I was inclined to buy the Opus, but the Opus doesn't give this internal resistance value. I consider that very important, so I decided to choose this one, and I think it's a great device. Well, that's it. Quite simple device, but very useful, very versatile. You have 4 independent channels for charging in different modes. So, as I usually say, this is not rocket science, and we are not launching the space shuttle that is already retired. So, that's all for today. Thank you for watching until the end. If you didn't already, please subscribe and hit that bell so you can be notified every time I have new videos. And if this video was useful to you and you are still watching, please give a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you in my next video. Cheers!